How can I remove this picture's background? The easy way to remove the background. First, click to unlock the layer. Next, click Channel. And click Make a copy channel blue. And after clicking the image, choose Adjustment. In the drop-down, click Levels. Click this button to set the color size. After clicking OK. Next, click Make a selection on channel. And click Select. Choose the inverse to select the object's black color. You need to unhide all channels. But the blue copy must be hidden. And after that, you need to check your object selection. Due to my selection being incorrect, I need quick selection tools to release the layer. Next, click on Layers, and click Set Layers Mask. Now your background has been removed. Thank you for your love of sharing. Again with the next video.